Someone is definitely bothered that you've moved on from the connection. You chose you over the connection with them. You eliminated that chapter of your life that was very painful for you. There was a lot of misery in this past chapter. This is like an awakening for you, an awakening of self, a spiritual awakening, because you realize you deserve better. However, they're bothered by it. They're bothered that they might not seem that they are, but they're bothered. Their energy comes through as a little bit mad because they lost the High Priestess. They lost someone who, look, Five of Cups, they're in deep, deep regret. They know that they lost you because of their actions, and that was it. And if they acted better or different, they wouldn't have lost your connection. I feel like they're thinking about you a lot, to the point where they're like wondering, when are you going to get in touch? When is there going to be contact? What are you doing? Are you thinking about them? So they're not just thinking about you as in missing you. They're thinking about you as in, what are you doing? And they really feel, so I don't know if you've done this before, but they really feel like you are going to get back in touch with them. They feel like you're going to chase them. And I feel that's because they've ghosted you before, they've left you, they've done something, and you're the one that has got back in touch with them. The Nine of Wands. This has happened before. You've been through a lot in this connection, and I really feel like you tried, but because you tried so hard, they just thought you would always try. They know you deserve better than what they treated you. They know that. They know your worth. They know your value. But someone can only love you. A spirit just came in then. This is an older feminine energy. Someone's nan or mom has passed, who this reading's for. They know your value and your worth, and they wanted that with you, but they didn't want it at the expense of stop doing their toxic behaviours. They just can't do that. They want both. They want both. 10 of Pentacles, 10 of Cups. You may have even spoken about marriage and about being together, having a house together. You may have even been married. At the bottom of the deck here, the Nine of Cups, they're really thinking about, look, and the Eight of Wands under that, they're really thinking about sending you a message, contacting you, because you haven't given in to them, and they are wanting to reach out to you. My concern about that is, have they really changed? Have they really done the work? I don't know, but I feel that they have a huge ego, and I feel they're very, very stubborn. So the fact that they're reaching out is just really difficult for them. It's really difficult for them to even reach out. This is somebody who works super hard, and I'm hearing maybe somebody who works in the building industry or builds something. I'm also seeing someone who recently has got out of a relationship. So this is either your relationship that's breaking down, or they got with somebody else and their relationship, the person that they got with, that's broken down. Yeah, the other person, they're walking away from the other person. They've left the other person because they wanted to return to you, starting this new chapter with you, because you're the divine feminine. Children may play a part here, but actually this is past life soulmate connection. They've left their other person because they want to come forward for you.